Welcome to D2Moto. Here we have some OEM style replacement mirrors for 2006 R1. These installations will be just generic. It goes for all R1s 2006 and above. Doesn't matter. Come over to your bike. You'll have some actual mirrors, but this bike has a block off mirror plate. What you do is you're going to go underneath, turn your steering all the way to the right. The 10mm bolts. Either you could use a ratchet or you could use an open wrench when using a ratchet. 10mm bolt, you just unscrew these. Do to the other side. Save these bolts. You're going to need it later. Just remove them. Grab your right mirror. Make sure this is your right mirror. Place them on. Grab your bolts that you had just taken off. Make sure you have the washer and nut itself. Slide them on. Turn it. Same thing. Washer. Make sure the washer is in between the plastic and the nut. The nut goes on the outside. There you go. Then you'll do the same on the other side. Same thing. Take your 10mm bolt nut. Sorry. Turn your steering to the left and do them same way. I pre-loosen these ones. Same thing, hold these nuts and washers, don't lose them. Take these off, make sure you put them somewhere. Take your left mirror, place them on, nut and washer. Washer goes in between, that goes on the outside. Same thing again. Nut outside, washer inside. And there's your basic installation for mirrors on a 2006 R1. Thanks for watching.